Hi everyone, welcome back to another random walk. Today I started my journey from Abu Dhabi Bus Station. Did you know that Abu Dhabi is the capital city of the United Arab Emirates, a country made up of seven emirates: Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah. With no fixed destination, I started walking through Madinat Zayed, exploring the streets and enjoying the city atmosphere. Actually, it was a really hot day, and I felt like I needed something cold, so I stopped for an ice cream. And honestly, it was a refreshing and tasty in this weather. I enjoyed watching the people, the shops, and the everyday life of Abu Dhabi. That's the fun part of this random walk. My next stop is the grocery store. Who knows? Maybe I will discover something interesting along the way. Let's go!